Select one of the windows, edit type to access more properties of the window. Change the height of the windows to 2 meters and the width to 1.2 meters. Notice that this change affects all the windows of this type. But notice when I adjust the head height. This change only affects the selected window. In Revit, when you change an element's properties from the Edit Type dialog, this change will affect every instance of that element. But when you change an element's property without editing the type property, only one instance is affected. Let's practice this with the other window types. Select one of the sliding windows, edit type and change the width to 1 meter and the height to 1.5 meters. Because we made the change from within the edit type, the change will affect the other windows of that type. Now, if I change the head height to 2.1 meters, notice I will have to do it one window at a time. During the course of my class, I will explain in more detail the differences between the type and instance properties.